Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. StudyTechInsight is about empowering curious minds with the tools, trends, and technologies shaping the future. This channel is all about breaking down complex tech concepts, sharing the latest trends, and providing practical insights to help you navigate the ever-changing digital landscape. Whether you're a student eager to learn, a professional looking to upskill, or simply someone passionate about technology, there's something here for everyone. You can look forward to tutorials, reviews of cutting-edge tools, deep dives into emerging technologies, and tips to make learning tech both fun and effective. My goal is to simplify the tech world so that anyone can understand and use it to their advantage. The world of technology is growing faster than ever, and staying updated is key to success. By subscribing to StudyTechInsight, you're not just following a channel, you're joining a community of curious minds ready to learn and grow together. Thank you so much for watching. If this sounds like the kind of content you're interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss a video. Feel free to leave a comment below and share what topics you'd like to see covered. Let's make this journey amazing together. See you in the next video. Thank you. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Hit on bell button for getting notification for upcoming new videos.